Birthday boy, are you ready to see what we've got for you?
Yes!
What are you expecting? Tell me.
A cat.
Cat, okay. We've talked about the cat now, that the cat will come later. Haven't we talked about that?
You did like this.
You said you're expecting a cat. What? Okay, Gabriel, what if you didn't get a cat? What will happen?
I would cry.
Okay, let me tell you now. There's no cat. But you will like all the things there. Okay, are you ready? Behave well. Today's your birthday, no crime. Okay, here comes the celebrant. Here comes the celebrant. Dun, dun. If I on the light for me, please. On the panel light. This way. Happy birthday to Gabriel. Happy birthday to Gabriel.
It's a unicorn.
That's a unicorn, isn't it? So that's the only thing you like there.
So
Okay.
Celebrate your
Let the celebrants enjoy it first. Give Daniel.
Oh.
Do you like it?
I'm showing from this side.
Come.
Give you, not yet. I'm backing something.
You get
What did you
something.
forget?
Honk.
Look at everything. And do you like what you are seeing?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's start with, go and sit down on the chair. Go and hold your balloon. See your number 8.
It's a helium balloon.
Mm-hmm. Helium balloon. Okay. Hold your number 8 now.
Happy
The big
birthday,
one.
bro.
Go and hold your number 8. The big balloon, the big one. The big 8. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Woo, 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 woo. Do you like all the things on the table?
Yeah.
Aww. You like that one because you're a Christmas baby.
Look, it says Gabby is 8.
Yeah.
But your name's Gabriel.
Okay, you've got some. What are the things on the table?
Gingerbread man.
Okay, gingerbread man. Okay.
And then you'll be animal if he wasn't a plushie.
What did you say, Daniel?
And then you would be animal if he wasn't a plushie.
All right, do you want to read your... We've got you some cards. Some birthday cards. Go and read them for us. See who got to... Can you say from your brother, from daddy, from mommy? Do you want to read your birthday cards for us?
Okay.
Go and sit down on the chair. Sit down on the chair first and be taking them one after the other to read. Okay. Did you see your cake?
Yeah.
You like it? Can you see the what is this, Tom and Jerry?
Yeah.
Did you see the Tom and Jerry character on it, Gabriel?
Yeah.
Okay. I think that's the only thing he likes about it.
Really? You don't like anything
You
else?
like the gingerbread man? Oh my
See, there's Santa Claus
goodness.
also. Have you seen your Santa
Did
Claus?
you see Santa? Huh?
Yeah.
Aww.
I think he would like the cake more if it was red.
Cake, red cake?
Yeah, you know his favorite color was red, not blue.
What's your
That's
favorite
my
color, Gabriel?
Red.
Really? I didn't know your favorite color is red.
Oh, but I was already too late.
Oh, it's okay. Okay, come and read your cake, your card. We know you are going to school. Okay, take your card one after the other. Card. What have you got in there?
You're such a wonderful son.
Aww.
I hate it to always know that's all the it hardly seems possible.
Okay.
You're loved more and more with every passing day. Wishing you a wonderful birthday and a lifetime of helping.
Yeah. I think there's something more. If you write another thing there. See what Daddy wrote here for you.
Have you seen what I wrote for
See
you,
what-
Daniel,
here.
bro?
Read what Daddy wrote for you.
Happy birthday, son. Wishing you all the very best as we celebrate the 8th wonderful birthday. I love you, G.
From Senator.
Dad.
Okay. They're gonna read from Daniel Wilson. Read this one more, then we'll go and cut the cake, okay? Because there's no time.
Okay. I miss
Start
you.
from here.
I miss you.
Long.
Healthiest and a stormy wife. And a stormy wife. Wait, that's
All right. And from mommy, let's read one more from mommy, and that's it. Okay, read one from mommy. Sit down. Read one mommy said give you.
How
time flies, my boy.
my boy. I'm proud of you today.
And
Fever
forever.
and forever. Happy birthday, my baby.
Oh, are you my baby? Are you my baby?
But that's making me happy.
Okay.
Come on, it has to be something.
Take on the local.
Light the candle, please.
Please.
The candle, man, look. One after the other.
Why wait till it comes?
Shake hands on the drops in the cake.
He's gonna blow the candle now, and that's it.
That's what hot.
Oh, we are lighting the candle. Gabriel, sit down, move away.
Why is that one the shortest? There's the tiny one.
Yeah.
It means it's not old enough yet.
Gabriel, move back.
I can see flames.
Mm-hmm. That's supposed to be. So be ready to blow the candle. Mm-hmm.
8.
He doesn't want to be banned up.
Okay. So Gabriel, we've got your birthday candle light up. So in 2 seconds, wish yourself anything.